In this video, I'll talk about the marketing and sales system that grew Dumisani's brand and business to making over $30,000 a month. Now, most businesses and people think it's hard and complicated, but there's a strategic marketing and sales system that he uses on his brand and his business that most people don't see. So by the end of this video, I'm going to talk about the 4 strategic marketing and sales system that he uses so that you can use it on your brand and business for free. Strategy number 1. This is a secret that grew his brand that most people don't talk about. Now, most businesses and people post random content on social media on various platforms for their business and for their brand and end up wondering why they can't make any sales, why they can't grow their business or brand. But one thing that we're going to notice about Dumisani's brand is that his content and his brand is different from the rest. When he posts his content, there's one thing that he adds to his content that makes it to be different from the rest of content that most businesses and most people post on their platforms, their social media pages, and it makes him to be unique and it makes him to stand out. And this is strategy number 1, that his content is related. One thing I would like you to remember about this is that people do not remember or do not follow your business, your content, and your strategies, but they follow the people behind the content. Strategy number 2, this is the number 1 way that he uses to make more sales for his business, and he does this without posting a lot of content and without spending a lot of money for his brand. Now, most businesses and people think that it's about making a great product, having a great service, and they spend a lot of time developing and making better services and products for their clients. And they end up wondering, having this good product, having this good service that they can provide to people, but they're not making any sales. They are not able to generate more income for their business. But then there's one thing that Dumisani uses in his sales system that is different from what other people are doing on their brands and what other people are doing on their in their businesses. And this is something that he uses to make more sales, that is using to generate more income with his business. For example, when you look at his previous Africa Marketing Conference, which happened in 2025, he sold over 35,000 tickets for that conference. And one thing you're going to notice is that this element that I'm going to talk about next is something that was important, that was crucial, that he used to make these sales for this conference. And strategy number 2 is that he was using his trust and authority that he built with his audience and people to sell these tickets. Now, the fastest way that you're going to increase more sales and influence on your brand and in your business is to build trust and authority with your clients and with the people around you. This is because once they trust in your product, in your services, and who you are, it is easier for them to remove their money and pay for the tickets, pay for the things that were delivered. Strategy number 3, this is the one thing that's changed everything about Dumisani's business. And most people don't even realize it and don't use it so well so that they can grow their business. Now, most businesses and people have a tendency of posting random content and they wonder why they cannot generate revenue and income in their businesses. And they end up chasing trends, they end up chasing views, thinking the more views you're going to get, the more trends you're going to be on, the more money you're going to make in your businesses. One thing you're going to notice is that there are channels and pages who have thousands of followers, who get thousands of views, and they make less income in their businesses, they make less revenue in their businesses simply because they do not have this strategic system that they use for posting content on social media. But when you look at Dumisani's brand and his content, there are 2 recipes that he adds to his content that makes it stand out a bit different. And these are the things that he uses to grow his business. Number 1 is that he has clarity and he is intentional about what he posts. Number 2 is that his content has purpose. He doesn't just post anything random. So strategy number 3 that he uses in his brand and his business is that social media becomes a sales and marketing system for his business. He doesn't post any random content. He doesn't post anything that he knows that is going to risk his business or his brand. Now, the mistake that many of you think is that social media is just for views, likes, and followers. But when you understand what social media is that you can use it to market your business, you can use it to make sales, you can use it to generate opportunities for business and to influence others. This is what he does in his content, and he uses it so well such that he gets an edge over the competitor. Strategy number 4, this is the number one thing that is holding back most businesses and people to grow and generate sales for their businesses and on their brand. Now, the common mistake that most people in businesses make is that they're advised to be consistent, and they are not told the full story or maybe the full truth about being consistent on social media and on their pages so that they can grow their brand and their businesses. So they are just told to say you should be posting more content, you should be posting maybe once every day, maybe twice every day, and they do not know the odd truth that is making them to miss out on sales, that is making them to miss out on growing their brand. Now, when you look at Dumisani's brand and content, you realize that there's one specific thing that is consistent. Despite him not posting every day, but there's one thing that is consistent in his brand and his business that is changing everything. And this one thing is that his message is consistent. Most people are taught to be consistent. But then if you're consistent with the wrong things, you are not going to yield any results in your brand, in your business. You are going to continuously be posting and not seeing any result. But when you look at Kemisan, is that he's found a system that is working for him, that is right about his content and his business. Therefore, he becomes more consistent with that message. He becomes more consistent with what he's doing. That is why it is easier for him to generate more sales, to generate more leads for his business, and to grow grant to where he is right now. So strategy number 4 that you should use in your business is to be consistent with the right strategy and right message. It doesn't mean that you should be consistent posting content every day, but if your content is random, you're going to be missing out on a lot of sales. You're going to be missing out on a lot of leads and opportunities on your channel and your business. But then most people think it's hard and complicated to develop a sales and marketing system on social media. And if you're interested in knowing that and developing your own for your brand and your business, I encourage you to watch this video where I share a step-by-step system that you can use in your business and in your brand to generate more sales and to market your business in your content. So I say thank you for watching this video and reaching this far. I hope this video helps, and see you in the next one.